It's life changing. I was hoping to find some relief from some of the pressure of life and lots of unexpected stresses in life, such as health issues and um, family quarreling, and it was just a lot going on, just life in general, and I didn't feel like I was being heard at home. A step forward with the stress level, if that I could leave and not try to control things so much, but just let God have it and hand it over. I definitely have a few some clarity on what I'd like to express to my family as a whole, that I miss them and that I love them. I want to continue to feel free to express my feelings and to find those people that are willing to hear me so that I can take action, so that things don't get spiraling down, so that I can, live in peace and contentment. It's life changing. It's been things, the perspective of the mind shifts, the body shifts, and I feel like I'm in a whole new being, and I feel energized and ready to face those problems at home. And going forward, I feel like I have the tools to continue to be renewed.